Hello and welcome to my garage where I'll be dropping some knowledge. But you know what's better than knowledge? Money and Lamborghinis. So hopefully by the end of this video you'll be able to get you some. So, what's gonna happen in this video? Let me give you a table of contents. I'm gonna explain why people lose, mainly, a lot, on Crash. How to have better chances of making bigger profits on Crash. Give you some strategies, some examples of what you can do, and you can go from there. And at the end, I'll probably go on a tangent about blackjack and hookers or something like that. So, I'll be using Gamdon, of course. They have the crash, they have the slots, they have roulette, they have everything. They have the option on crash to place more bets. As you can see, I can place on 10x, and I can place on 2x, and I can place on fucking 420x, and then I can place on 69. Gotta get that in there too, of course. So yeah, a pretty good site, pretty good site. And also before we get into all of this, did you know that it's scientifically proven that if you sign up with the link in the description or use the code Simon Says, your penis grows 3 times in size? It's fact. It's scientifically proven. So with all that out of the way, let's get into it. Why do people lose at Crash? Why do you lose at Crash? Well, let me give you an example of if you've played Crash, and I'm sure you did since you're watching this video. Here's what you did, and here's what everyone did always. I mean, they did it at some. What the fuck is this multiplier? Holy shit! Anyway, so you bet $1 on 2x, right? And then you lose, and then you're like, oh, that's fine. I'll just bet $2 now, and I'll win the money back and the profit. And then you lose again, and then you're like, oh, that's fine. I'll just bet 4, and then you lose, and then 8, and then 16, and then 32, and then so on, and you keep losing. So this is called a negative compound because you're compounding against yourself, right? As in you're doubling your bet or tripling it or quadrupling it, doesn't matter what multiplier and what amount to double it you choose. That's the main point. You keep going against yourself. So let me give you a more visual, explanation. So you bet $1, you lose. You bet 2, 4, 8. Now you can see here, you have a nice visual representation of how insane you go against yourself. After 10 or 11 bets, you already have to bet $2,000 to win one fucking dollar profit, and all the money you lost back, because at this point you lost $2,000 and you're still betting $2,000. So in total, after 11 times only, you're risking a total of 4,000 to win $1. Sounds kind of fucking retarded, doesn't it? Because it is. So that's the biggest mistake I see people do. They always keep doubling or tripling their bets and going against themselves and losing their bankroll quite quick, because that's a very quick way to lose your bankroll. So, how do you make your gambling sessions more profitable? Well, you do the exact opposite of this. Instead of going against yourself, you go against the casino. So, instead of doubling up when you lose, you double up when you win, you fucking bastard. So you bet $1 on 2x. You lose. Fuck it. To hell with it. Let it rot. You bet another dollar. You lose. To fucking shit with it. No one cares about those $2. You bet another one. You win. Oh my god. Life is changing. This is it. You're about to go hard. And now, you bet the $2 on 2x again. You win again. Oh my god. You bet the 4. You bet the 8. You get where I'm going with this. You're using compounding to your advantage, right? Because if you win 12 times on 2x in a row, you just made $4,000 from a $1 bet. Now, of course, this doesn't happen all that often, obviously, but it is a much, much, much better chance of you making profit and not losing your bankroll within 10 minutes because you keep getting under 2x or some shit, right? So this is the whole concept, pretty much, of the strategies and the mindset that you should be going to crash with, right? Just compound against the casino and in your favor. So, what are some strategies that you could be doing? Well, one easy one and pretty efficient one, since it's so likely that you win, that I use is the 10% one, right? So let's say you start with $10 because you're betting on 10%. Don't be a pussy. Don't bet $1. What the fuck is wrong with you? If you get it right 25 times, you get 11 times your base bet, right? So you only risked $10 to get 100 instead of risking 100 to get 10 and shit like that, you know? So wait, I'm kind of losing myself because I'm way too fucking high for this shit, but I'm gonna get back on track. What the fuck was I talking about? Oh yeah. So let's say I deposited $100 and I played some slots and some blackjack because I'm a fucking dumbass, and I'm down. I'm down to $10. I lost it all. I am a failure. My parents don't love me. That's why they disown me. I don't have a girlfriend, right? So I have $10 to my name. That's when I usually use this strategy, right? It's a pretty more secure boost to get myself back to where I started from and then go lose it again like a retard. So also, another important way on how to go about this is that you don't necessarily want to bet one after the other one, right? So if you have a look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It came 20 times in a row on 10%, so you would have made up to $70. But you can do it like this as well. There's no harm in it, but it doesn't happen all that often, right? You're much better off on just betting whatever amount on 10%, winning, putting the winnings as well to bet, and not bet immediately. Maybe wait a little bit, maybe wait a few. Don't wait until it comes below 1.1 and then bet, because you usually get fucked there as well. A lot of times it comes twice or three times, but you can wait. As you can see here, you would have three successful ones. Wow, 4, 5, 6. All right, well, fuck me, never mind. You can do that too. Just wait until it's below and then bet all of it, the initial bet and the winnings, right? So this is a pretty a safer route of compounding, and I already made a video on this type of betting, and you can check it out there, I guess. Another one is the 25%, right? So instead of betting on 1.1, you bet on 125, which, so on the 10, let me show you how insane compounding is. On the 10%, after 25, you got 11 times, right? Now on 25, you're up fucking 200, whatever, 260 times. It's at $2,600 instead of 100, just by doing it on 125, right? Now, obviously, again, you're gonna get right 25 times in a row. You're probably gonna have to do a few tries. It's not gonna be from the first one, but hey, you're only risking $10 per every bet. So, I mean, depending on your bankroll, if your whole bankroll is $10, then you should probably not be gambling. Yes, and the same. I mean, I think I already explained this one, right? With the 2x, yeah, that's insane as well. And the same way with 2x as well. Now I've seen, like here, you can see right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the sixth one, that it comes 2x in a row, which is pretty good. You get from $1 to 64. I mean, that's pretty crazy. But again, it doesn't necessarily happen a lot of times. It does happen quite often that it comes. I've seen over 2x come like 13 times in a row, I think, but I've seen that like twice in like 2 years. So, yeah, the same approach applies here as well. Just bet. If you win, wait a few and bet again, or you can bet like twice in a row, or however you want to go about it. Let's see if it's gonna go seventh time in a row now. Boom, there it is. So seventh time in a row, up to 128 from 64. Big ass jump. So this is the insane mode, right? So the 10x is a nice chill casual mode to boost up your balance. The 25x, it's a bit riskier, way higher rewards, and on the 2x, you go if you want to buy them Lamborghinis and shit, right? Um, right. I'm just waiting to see if it goes 2x again. But this is pretty much this is it, right? Use compounding against the casino, not yourself. Use it in your advantage, and you can take this concept and apply it however you want it. You bet on 33x's, you bet on 10x's. You can go to bet on 2x. You know, you bet $1, you put on 2x, and then if you win, you go down to only 50. I mean 1.5 with all the winnings to make it much safer. And the higher you go with your amount of money that you have, the lower you go in the multiplier to make it safer. Oh look, two again. So it's been 8 times in a row now that it came two. And if I would have bet like an ape one after the other, I would have 256. Damn. Does it go a ninth time? Can you do it? To show an example for this shitty ass fucking video? No. He said, fuck you. Alright. Well, anyway. So here's one example. And you know, you got a nice amount of 2x's. You got a good chance of hitting it if you spread the bets out and don't bet one after the other like a moron. Because that usually doesn't work. It would have worked nicely in this video though. Damn. I mean, you could put the auto betting as well and just let it run until you hit one of those, but that's not a good idea either. Plus, it's passive and you're not feeling like you're gambling and your thirst is not going to be fulfilled. So, better not to. Anyway, I have a very, very in-depth strategy that I came up with using this. Let me see if I can put it in the fucking thing. With this approach. Yeah, okay. So this is pretty much it. I'm not gonna explain it. If you can figure it out, what all of this shit means, then good for you, right? Here I'm even scroll down. This is like 5 strategies in one though. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, whatever. This is my shit that I used to make a few $1,000s. Not on Gamdon though, but it could be applied. And hey, if this video gets 4,200 likes, I'm a post the strategy with an in-depth explanation and let everyone be rich because that's how gambling works, right? There's no losing. Anyway, that's the video, I guess. At this point, I'm just rambling on. That's the concept. That's some base strategies. Fuck, man. Now we're just chilling. It's just you and me. There's no one here. Did you sign up with the link in the description? Did you use code Simon Says? If not, what the fuck, man? Dude, I got kids to feed. Not my kids. Some random kids that I got from the street. Now they're locked up, but don't tell anyone about that because that's illegal. But anyway, I gotta feed them. They gotta stay alive somehow. So, use that code. Sign up with that link. And let me buy a new pair of boots. Go play some blackjack. Fuck some hookers. You know what I mean? The hookers gotta eat as well. They gotta work. I'm helping them, right? I'm helping them by giving them money. And all right, I think that's enough rambling. That's the video, man. Fuck, shit. Stop the recording already, man. What